There's a glitch in the subconscious mind that keeps almost all of us trapped in suffering. So in this video, I'm going to give you a 3-step process of how to overcome that. What this glitch does is it makes us look at a negative event, such as a breakup or a financial loss or a health crisis or something like that. And we tend to misinterpret or misattribute as to why we're hurting, yeah? We blame the event. But the event is never the source of the pain, but it is the way that we're conditioned to be. We mistakenly search for the cause of the event in completely the wrong target. And we do exactly the same to ourselves internally every day. When a relationship fails, or when a business fails, or when you suddenly fall ill for no apparent reason, your subconscious mind gets to work, right? It looks at the event and uses it as the cause of your suffering, but you're looking in the wrong target. A circumstance, an external event, has no power whatsoever to create suffering on its own. The event is just raw data, yeah? The real perpetrator in this case is the subconscious meaning that you're giving to the event. So your suffering doesn't come from the event itself. It comes from you saying, well, this has happened, therefore it's showing me that I'm not good enough. This has happened, therefore I believe that I've never been worthy anyway, that I'm undeserving, right? So if you want to change your reality, you have to stop focusing on the external events in your life. You have to stop focusing on the external circumstances. And instead, you've got to go inwards and investigate the meanings that you're giving to the circumstances, right? Because as soon as you do that, you strip the out there of its power over you. But how do you actually do that, right? How do you automatically stop your subconscious mind from generating this suffering? Well, I'm just about to tell you. But before I do, this is your reminder that there's a free gift waiting for you in the description. So go and grab that. Okay, so how are we going to fix this glitch? Well, the first thing that we're going to do is to catch it in real time. Your subconscious mind is always working on autopilot. So as soon as a negative event happens, you attach a meaning to it. So what you get to do is to notice the meaning that you're attaching and break the circuit. And you break that circuit by asking one of my favorite questions, which is, what am I making this mean? What am I making this mean about me? What am I making this mean about my place in the world? What am I making this mean about my capabilities? Am I making it mean that I'm not good enough? Well, that doesn't feel good, so it's not going to be true for you. So once you've caught it, once you've broken that circuit, you've asked the all-important question and gotten an answer for it, then you have to break the emotional anchor. Your subconscious mind stores these stories as emotional charges. So you get to neutralize that emotional charge, right? You get to just sit with the feeling without attaching any story to it. You just sit with it and allow it to be. You don't fight it, you don't label it, you don't attach blame to anything out there for it, you just allow it to exist. And when you strip away the story, you also strip away its power. And then the third step in the process is, just as you're falling asleep or just as you're waking up, or if you can just get yourself into a very peaceful, relaxed way of being, you tell yourself a better feeling story. You don't look at the rejection as being anything to do with you. It's maybe that this has opened new doors to new opportunities. And it doesn't matter what the story is, because whatever you believe to be true is what is true for you. So you get to tell yourself the best feeling story you can come up with. And you get to think about that as you're falling asleep and as you're waking up. You get to reinterpret the outside world, which will stop it from affecting you, right? That way you truly become the cause. And you understand the power that you have to do that. Yeah? The external world can only present you with circumstances, but the circumstances don't matter. You are the ultimate authority in what it all means. So what's the story that you're going to tell about yourself today? Yeah. Now, this is the work that I do with my clients who, in my signature program, are typically 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs, or leaders in their field who have reached some form of plateau, or who are really letting the external world affect who they know themselves to be internally. I help you to get over that. I help you to live the life that you want to be living without the burnout or imposter syndrome or anything like that. So if you'd like to get on a call with me, the link is in the description. And if you're not there yet, then please don't worry, because there are so many other ways of working with me, including attending the Consciously Creating online workshop that I do at the end of every single month. This month, so this Saturday, the 27th of June, we have a really special event, which is the Abundance Activation. I wrote the script for it yesterday, and I can assure you it's going to be life-changing. I just know that it will. And of course, there's the YouTube membership that you can also join. Again, all the links that you need are in the description. And in the meantime, you're going to find another video just there. So click on that one next. And if I don't see you on a call, if I don't see you in the YouTube membership, or if I don't see you in the workshop, then I'll see you again very, very soon. Take care. Bye.